Hello and welcome to News X Auto. My name is Shiraz and I hope you can see that Lexus LX500D. And in this headlight video, well, there is a lot more to show, in addition to the headlights. All right, so let's begin. I hope you can see the key and unlock. Can you see the puddle lamp? Let me go near. See, GoPro does not do justice. I hope now you can see that. I think you can. Okay. So right now, of course, the lights are off, and let me start the vehicle. In the meantime, you can see the cabin as well. Okay, now the headlights would come on automatically, and I'll not show those to you right now, okay, because I want to show you the rear fogs. Just give me 1 second. So these are the normal tail lamps, okay, the regular tail lamps rather, okay, and those are the fogs. I'll switch them on. Okay, let me show it to you as well. Now voila. All right, so those are the rear fogs which you would use in low visibility conditions. You will not turn on the hazards, when the vehicle is moving. So on a moving vehicle, you will use these and not the hazards. Let me show you. Yeah, please ignore that bottle. This is how the cabin looks. Right now, with the cabin lights off, this is how the cabin looks, the ambient lighting. All right, and now I'll also show you the front fogs. I hope you can see those. There's a car approaching. I'll take this opportunity to show you the front fogs from the front. So right now the DRLs and front fogs are on, and there is one more thing left before I start driving. Okay, so you can see the fogs. Now let me switch the headlights on. Ooh, okay, that was That's not the party trick. Okay, the party trick is, so it has the fogs and it has cornering lamps. Okay, now you would not be able to notice because the GoPro does not do justice to it. Okay, while I would be driving. Okay, so I had to switch the GoPro off and switch it on again because there was a car approaching from the other side. All right, so I was saying that, you know, if when I'll be driving, okay, you would not be able to see the cornering lamps because the GoPro would not do justice to it. However, while the car is stationary, okay, and while the headlights are on, when I put the car in reverse, you would be able to see the cornering lamps light up. Okay, just concentrate between the wing mirror and the A-pillar. Okay, now 3, 2, 1. There. Okay, once again I'm switching it off. See, and this, you know, they just switch off gradually. Oh, let me switch the fogs off. Okay, then you will be able to notice them clearly. Okay, once again, these are the cornering lamps. Okay, you see that, and see, once again, look at that. I mean, that's the bonnet and that's the cornering lamp. Okay, I promise once more and then I'll start driving. All right, and now if I switch the, okay, I'll put it in park, and now I'll switch the fogs on as well. Okay, and now I hope you'll be able to, okay, one more time. Yes. All right, now let's drive. All right, okay, before I start driving, like I told you, there is a lot to show. Okay, now of course this is not your regular SUV or car. Okay, this is a 3.3 crore rupee car on road. Okay, so you would not have buttons for, you know, the cabin lights. All right, you will just do this. See, right, and you know, this is how you will switch them on. All right. All right, and okay, let me switch. So right now the fogs are on. Okay, and now the headlight. I mean, of course, these are fantastic headlights, and that's just the low beam right now. Okay, let me take the car. In fact, I should be showing you. Oh, I have to put it in park. All right, and now look at that. All right, and let's drive. Whoa, of course I did not expect anything less. Look at that. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. That's the low beam, that's the high beam, and of course you will be able to gauge the NVH levels as well, which are excellent. Again, you would not expect anything less from a vehicle at this price. See, and this is how the road is. That's how the road looks. Of course the fogs are on right now. Let me switch the fogs off as well. Okay, and that's the front camera. Let me show you the rear camera as well. And I'm telling you, GoPro does not do justice to it. Okay, the camera is of course brilliant. Wow. Brilliant headlights, brilliant headlights. Again, you would of course not expect anything less. Alright guys, I hope you got a good idea about how excellent these headlights are. Oh man. And do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Bye bye, take care.